Hey, got today's tip. When you're working on a vehicle, where do you put your spray bottle? We're not going to use that. That's not for that. Do you put it inside the car or do you put it on the ground? But one thing, you don't want to put your chemical inside the vehicle. Just say, for instance, the top comes off, whatever. Sometimes they get loose. You grab it and on the inverter, knock it over. Now you got whatever chemical you may be using in the carpet. And you don't want that because it could cause fading or more work for yourself. Yeah. So one of the things you can use is, if you're mobile, take one of these little carts, caddies, and use and put all your chemicals and products in, your brushes. As you can see, it's full. So I got everything from the carpet cleaner to all-purpose cleaner, leather conditioner, and various types of brushes, steamer attachment. So everything I pretty much need for the interior on this vehicle. And then I got towels separately in another bin. But also, you don't want to put, like, say for instance, your attachment brushes and lay those in the car. Say for instance, you get called away or something, or get on the phone and you move, or you're in the process of moving to the next stage of the car, and you just forget there in that part of the car. I've left brushes in the vehicles. Some of my favorite brushes, the best brushes. Or you might leave a towel or something. Like I left towels in cars. So you want to get in the habit of getting a little caddy and putting your content, all your content, cleaning supplies in that. Or if you're at the shop, use a cart. So, or they even have foldable carts that you can use for mobile. I've seen some guys use a foldable cart for mobile service. So that's a little tip for today. So have a great one.